Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. I hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas day yesterday. And today is the 26th. It is a Collaged Postcard and a Curiosity Shop. And that is day 16. Okay, you know, baby girl here is just getting entirely too daggum fat. So, I've been trying to do stuff as flat as possible. So for her, for the postcard, I did this. And I took, you know, I looked up and I thought, okay, Curiosity Shop is like a thrift store. It's like a hodgepodge kind of shop. You know, it's one of those kind of things. So what I did was, and I don't know if you can see it because I gessoed it, but yeah, you can see it. Okay, I took I think it was an antique. I know it's at least vintage, but anyway, I took a magazine page that had a bunch of advertisements of different stuff and everything, and I put it in the background. So that's my shop. And then on gessoed it. There's the canceled postcard thing there. I glued that down and gessoed around that, and that actually looks like it, you know, was done on the postcard. I did really good. Kind of proud of that. And then I took my new stamp that I got and stamped it, and it's just cute. It turned out so cute. I'm proud of that. I stamped it, and then I took my acrylic pens and markers and paint markers and, you know, juiced it up there a little bit, gave it a little frou-frou, and stamped all of that on there. So that's my postcard. And the little snow coming down is a stamp, and then that's a stamp, and then the Merry to All is a stamp, and I even turned it upside down and did Merry to All up here. So there we have it. That is our collaged postcard and a Curiosity Shop for December the 26th. If everybody's out doing day after Christmas shopping, I hope you have a fun time and be safe. All right, I'll see y'all on the next go round. Bye.